Nasi starting 11 seMamelodi Sundowns kubuye uRonwen Williams-ke this time around bafethu experience uThapelo Morena ukhona naye uKhoza ubuyile laphana emuva but this time around uNokekana not uKigeni last time bekaNokigeni uBasadeni naye ubuyile uMokoena ubuyile I'm surprised bafethu ukubona uMokoena ukuthi ubuye fast kanje then khona umkhulisi naye laphana eswini uNdlovu yaqala igame uMatthews uMayilula uLeon ebhenchini khona uRicardo Goss uNdamane uMudiba uMokoena uReynolds uAlende uZwane Mdunyelwa uLitlaku yiso-ke bafethu isquad lese-Sundowns esodlala namaZulu ngo-7:30 kuzoba nzima for amaZulu cause i-Sundowns yayifuna le 3 points lena sikhumbule ukuthi bashawe i-Golden Arrows just few days back team nayo yase-KZN si-convincing na isquad se-Sundowns masisibheka uLeon siyamazi ukuthi uyawashaya amagoli just that akakangeni egiyeni man. uMayilula noNdlovu nabo baqale kahle kakhulu ku-Sundowns especially uMayilula siyazi ukuthi awumniki opportunity uzokuphanisha sobona ukuthi cause amanye ama-player amasha like uMayilula uqeda ukubuya ku-Sundowns and then uBasadeni I'm impressed. I think ugain confidence serious laphana ku-left back. For me has always been better than Aubrey Mudiba just as a traditional left back. Well ngeke ahlule Aubrey Mudiba in terms of ukudlala ibhola nama-passes are-good ka-Aubrey Mudiba but mawufuna i-shape ne-balance right ngicabanga ukuthi just betatazela uBasadeni kuleya position leya but-ke uyi-player eli-good kakhulu sobona ukuthi namhlanje uzokwazi ukuperforma na.